Welcome to our tutorial on how to disable advanced filters for notifications on Twitter using your PC. Let's walk through the simple steps to ensure you have full control over your notification settings. Begin by navigating to your notifications timeline on Twitter, where you can access all your notifications in one convenient place. Once you're in the notifications section, let's move on to the next step. To filter your notifications and access additional customization options, locate and click on the Settings option within the notifications timeline. This will allow you to fine-tune your notification preferences to suit your needs. Within the Settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Advanced Filters. Click on this option to access more specific filtering settings for your notifications. Once you're in the Advanced Filters section, you'll see a list of different filters available. To turn off any preferred filter or filters, simply click on the box next to the filter name. This will disable the filter and ensure that you receive all notifications without any restrictions. By following these steps, you can easily manage and customize your notification settings on Twitter, allowing you to stay informed and engaged with your Twitter community without missing any important updates. Take control of your notification experience on Twitter by disabling advanced filters and tailoring your notifications to your preferences. Stay connected and up to date with all interactions on your Twitter account by following these straightforward steps.